I think there is no really competition. It's more complementation. So imagine both economies have been complementing each other for the longest time. So if you look at history, both islands were not competing but rather complementing each other. So imagine the completion of the Panay Guimaras Negros Bridge. This is added connectivity between the two islands. So if services, produce, and people has right now, it takes a certain period of time for these activities to activate, but with improved connectivity, you have a shorter waiting time. I see the problem without the bridge is not the travel time, it takes 1-2 hours. It's very predictable to cross using Lolo, but rather it's the waiting time. The time you spend waiting to get on the boat, that is the unpredictable factor. So imagine if you are a producer and you wish to ship your product, you spend almost a day at the port versus having a bridge wherein you can travel anytime. So imagine the loss of productivity in produce, in service, and in people. So these are considerations that we like to look at the complementary activities between the two island regions.
Thank you, sir.